Join the Wash, Don't Wipe revolution. Experience Brondell's Swash luxury bidet toilet seat. Easily self-installed, the Swash provides a luxurious upgrade to your existing toilet. The Swash has been specifically engineered for North American toilets, with a sleek shape for a perfect toilet fit, and a hidden pocket to ensure that the electrical cord and water hose stay tucked out of sight. The design is like nothing else on the market, blending into the decor of any bathroom. Stainless steel has proven to be more hygienic and longer lasting than industry-standard plastic. That's why we use stainless steel for our dual nozzle system. Fresh, aerated water flows through the nozzles, providing both posterior and feminine washes. Each nozzle is adjustable to one of 7 positions and offers water pressure adjustment. Unique to the Swash is a variety of spray widths, ranging from a narrow, concentrated stream to a wide, gentle spray. The nozzles self-clean after every wash, providing extra assurance that your nozzles remain germ-free. The Swash provides endless warm water washes with 4 temperature settings, thanks to its innovative tankless ceramic core heating system. The sleek wireless remote control has a magnetic dock and is specifically designed for easy operation. The remote allows you to store your wash preferences with 2 programmable user settings and offers a one-touch auto setting for any user to experience a full wash and dry cycle. You deserve a better bathroom experience. Join the Wash, Don't Wipe revolution today.
As times change and technologies evolve, toilet designs have remained the same, always with an unattractive and bulky water tank. Presenting the tankless AXENT.ONE C+ Intelligent Toilet, a groundbreaking tankless design with one-of-a-kind intelligent technology. Inspired by the design of a Swiss timepiece crown, the AXENT.ONE C+'s minimalistic, yet familiar design is fitted with the one dial, allowing for multi-feature control and adjustment with the simple turn of the dial. Experience the comfort of an ergonomically designed seat with the added luxury of hygiene intelligence, including a customizable bidet wand and spray positions with adjustable water temperature and seat warmth, a warm air dryer, and an automatic deodorizer. For additional personalization and convenience, simply switch to using the Accent mobile app or easy-to-use hand remote. Accent's patented V-Flush technology is the engineering innovation that makes tankless possible, preserving the AXENT.ONE C+'s design and flush performance. Superior design, smart technology, made just for you. It's intelligence, convenience, and hygiene, all in a clean and smart design. The AXENT.ONE C+, Intelligent Toilet, by Accent, Switzerland.
Introducing the first self-cleaning toilet by American Standard, the ActiClean toilet. ActiClean features a self-cleaning system that cleans the toilet bowl with a simple press of a button. It cleans and removes stains for more than 2 months with the cleaning power of the onboard cleaning solution, leaving a freshly scented, sparkling clean bowl. The ActiClean system includes 2 cleaning cycles, Deep Clean and Quick Clean. The Deep Clean cycle is a 10-minute cycle that thoroughly cleans the inside of the toilet bowl. The Quick Clean cycle is a 1-minute cycle used for regular upkeep in between deep cleanings. Here's how it works. Once a cleaning cycle is selected, the ActiClean system will dispense a dose of the onboard cleaning solution into the bowl. The powerful release of the cleaning solution allows it to scour the whole bowl, cleaning it from top to bottom while exuding a fresh scent. Once the desired soaking time is complete, the system will automatically switch to the rinse cycle, which will siphon the cleaning agent and rinse the bowl. The result is a clean toilet without the messy cleaning. The toilet also features a clean curve rim that eliminates the rim cavity and holes that trap dirt, leaving no place for dirt to hide. The EverClean antimicrobial surface inhibits the growth of stain and odor-causing bacteria. And the innovative VorMax flush helps maintain a tidy bowl in between ActiClean cleanings. An indicator lets you know when it's time to change the cleaning cartridge and when it's time to change the 4 AA batteries. A child lock is also available and easy to turn on and off. Simply press and hold both quick and deep buttons for 3 seconds to turn the child lock on, and do the same to turn the child lock off. The toilet is WaterSense certified, using only 1.28 gallons, or 4.8 liters with every flush. The seat features anti-slip bumpers that hold the seat tightly in place. A sanitary lift tab is provided for lifting the seat, while the slow, close seat means quiet and easy operation. There's even a quick release button to remove the seat for quick and easy cleaning. Imagine the freedom you could enjoy if all of your household items cleaned themselves. ActiClean, by American standard, the toilet that cleans itself. Want to know the secret to keeping a cleaner toilet? Get it to clean itself. The American standard VorMax toilet's patented flush technology sends twice as much jetted water to the rim, scrubbing the bowl clean from top to bottom. It's proven to be 2 times cleaner than other toilets. Everything about this toilet is built for clean. The superior clean curve rim eliminates the tiny holes and edges found on regular toilets, so there's nowhere for dirt to run and hide. And VorMax features the remarkable EverClean surface that helps it stay sparkling longer by inhibiting the growth of stain and odor-causing bacteria, mold, and mildew. Keeping your bowl spotless doesn't mean using more water. VorMax models use less water, which saves you money without sacrificing any performance. There are also options that infuse toilet bowl cleaner into the water with every flush, freshening the bowl and taking clean to the next level. VorMax comes in chair height, has an elongated bowl for extra comfort, and is available with a slow close lid so you can say goodbye to a noisy slamming seat. Installation is quick and easy. No tools are required. Everything you need is in the box. And best of all, it's backed by an industry-leading limited lifetime warranty by a brand that's been around for more than 140 years. Take your clean to the max with the American standard VorMax toilet.
Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed yourself, make sure to press that like button, and if you want to see more of these videos, make sure to press that subscribe button and notification so you would know when we drop a new video. Also, if you're interested in any of these products, you will find all their links in the description. Thank you.